Hello guys. A lot of people asked me one simple question after I posted the Erevos video. How did you create this alien world? Was it AI? Was it editing? Was it complicated? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I created the Erevos Alien World documentary, step by step, using AI tools and simple editing software. No Hollywood skills, no expensive setup, just tools anyone can learn. Let's start from the idea. The first thing I needed was a concept. I didn't want to copy an existing movie or series. I wanted something original but believable. So I imagined a planet where life doesn't live on the ground, but in the air and light. A world powered by storms, radiation, and sunlight. Once I had the idea, I wrote a short narrative script with the help of ChatGPT. Not too technical, more like a documentary voiceover. This script became the backbone of the entire video. Now comes the most important part, visuals. For the visuals, I used Flow AI to generate cinematic alien environments and creatures. Instead of asking for random images, I was very specific with my prompts. I described the planet, the atmosphere, the colors, the lighting, and the type of life forms. The more descriptive the prompt, the better the result. I didn't generate everything at once. I generated scenes one by one. Skies, landscapes, creatures, storms, flying life forms. This gives you more control and better consistency. After generating the visuals, I downloaded the clips and images I liked the most. Now let's talk about the voice. For the narration, you can use any AI text-to-speech tool you prefer. The key is to choose a calm, documentary-style voice. I pasted my script into the voice generator 11 Labs and exported the audio. Once I had the voiceover, editing became very easy. I imported everything into Adobe Premiere Pro, but you can do the same thing with CapCut or Canva. First, I placed the voiceover on the timeline. Then I added the visuals on top, matching each scene with what was being described. I didn't over-edit. No crazy effects, no fast cuts. Slow movement, soft transitions, and cinematic pacing. That's what makes it feel like a real documentary. For background music, I used a subtle ambient track, very low volume. The goal is atmosphere, not distraction. Once everything was synced, I did a final review. I removed anything that felt rushed or repetitive. And that was it. From idea to final video, the entire process didn't require a big team or advanced skills. This is the power of AI when used correctly. Now, why did I post this on GuruZen? Because this channel is about tools, workflows, and showing what's possible. This video is not just entertainment, it's proof of concept. And if you want, I can make more videos like this, or more tutorials showing exactly how to create AI videos, documentaries, or even YouTube content for your new channel from scratch. If this video helped you understand the process, hit the like button, subscribe to GuruZen, and let me know what kind of AI content you want to learn next.